Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Intelligent on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. Now, in order to even enable or turn on this feature, you need to update your iPhone to iOS 18.1 or newer. In your settings, go to General, Software Update, and this update should be available now for you to download and install. And once you have done that, you're going to want to come back to the main settings and you'll see a toggle that says Apple Intelligent. You simply click on it and then you'll get the option here. If it's your very first time on your account, it'll say join Apple Intelligent waitlist. You'll tap on that and that'll put you on the waitlist, and within a few hours, could take some time up to a day or two, your phone will be checked if it's eligible, and then you'll get a notification and you'll be able to come back here and toggle it on just like that. And then you can press and hold and see this new animation which will indicate you have turned on Apple Intelligent on your iPhone. And now if you don't have iPhone 16 or Pro or any of the iPhone 16 lineup, you can also have iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max that also has Apple Intelligent. But that's how you can turn it on and use Apple Intelligent on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.